Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars CR-6 Drystar riding shoes. Okay, the CR-6 retails for $239.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. I wear a 12 US. This is a 12 US. They fit and feel exactly as I would expect. They're comfortable to wear, comfortable to walk around in. The width, I would say, it's just average. You know, they're not overly wide and they're certainly not overly narrow. Who is this right for? Drystar membrane is waterproof, windproof, and breathable. Okay, so this is going to be good when it gets wet. This is going to be good when it's dry, and maybe even just a touch to the cool side because you don't have any airflow coming in the boot itself. As you can see, this has a little higher rise. This is going to go over the ankle. It has a reinforced sole, and that's one of the really important things with a riding shoe, right? You have to have a shank in the shoe so that you can't just easily compress it like this. Like, you are not compressing that. So the sole itself is reinforced, right? The shank is in there, so that way if the bike happens to fall on you in the event of a crash, it protects your foot from being crushed. Lace up all the way. Got a Velcro adjuster here at the top. You can see externally there are these little mesh panels kind of fused into the outer of the shoe. Those are there to just kind of help ventilate between the inner membrane and the outer of the shoe. Give you an idea of the reinforcement here in the toe box. It's not overly technical like with a race boot, but you do have reinforcement up here at the very front, and it starts to get a little softer here as you get towards the back. Reinforcement here in the heel. Little reflective patch there. There is armor that is integrated into the sides right over the ankle to manage both impact and abrasion. The D-ring that's used up here is actually a metal D-ring, so this should stand the test of time and hold up really well. You're going to find those little mesh panels are also integrated into the tongue of the shoe. Still, this is waterproof and breathable. That's just to kind of allow moisture that passes through that breathable membrane to make it outside of the shoe to keep your foot more comfortable. A lot of padding here on the tongue. Kind of pull that out and show you where the gaiter ends, because this is a waterproof shoe. Anytime you have a waterproof shoe, you're also going to have a gaiter. So that's ending right at about this point on the shoe. One of the things that I really like about this is how comfortable it was to walk around in. I think for a lot of riders, you could get use both on and off the bike, like here in Michigan, you know, or our Corona apocalypse lockdown number 2, right? It's November, it's a little chilly out. You know, a shoe like this would be great for wearing around even when you're not riding. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.